indicates this vehicle as having best-in-class fuel economy and low miles. Features also include keyless entry, premium sound system, steering wheel controls, hands-free Bluetooth integration, MP3, and has been listed as an IIHS top safety pick with these ratings. Take a ride in 2012 Odyssey. The Honda Odyssey is a showcase of distinguished style, captivating technology, and advanced safety features. A must for all families, and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 115,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, anti-lock braking system, air conditioning, Bluetooth wireless data link for hands-free phone, power steering, home link garage door opener, floor mats, aluminum wheels, cruise control, rear defrost. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.